हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं फिर से लेकर आई हूँ दिल्ली सुल्तानेट एमसीक्यू। सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट अ वीडियो विदाउट वेस्टिंग द टाइम। इन व्हिच ईयर दिल्ली सुल्तानेट वाज फाउंडेड? Correct answer option number B, that is 1206, and Delhi Sultanate was ended in the year that is 1526. How many dynasties were there in Delhi Sultanate? Correct answer option number A, that is 5. So there were total 5 dynasties in Delhi Sultanate, and the name of these dynasties of Delhi Sultanates were Slave Dynasty, Khilji Dynasty, Tughlaq Dynasty, Said Dynasty, and the last one, that is Lodi Dynasty. Which dynasty is known as the Mamluk or Ilbari Turk dynasty? Correct answer option number A, that is Slave Dynasty. So Slave Dynasty is also known as a Mamluk or Ilbari Turk dynasty. Who was the founder of Delhi Sultanate? Correct answer option number C, that is Kutubuddin Aibak. Which sultan had been named Lugbaks? Correct answer option number D, that is Kutubuddin Aibak. So Kutubuddin Aibak had been named as Lugbaks because of his generosity and gave liberal donations. Quwwatul Islam Mosque was built by which ruler? Correct answer option number B, that is Kutubuddin Aibak. So Kutubuddin Aibak had constructed two mosques, that is Quwwatul Islam at Delhi, and the other one is Arai Din Ka Jopra at Ajmer. Which Sultan of Delhi died while playing the chaugan, that is called polo? And the correct answer is option number A, that is Kutubuddin Aibak. So Kutubuddin Aibak, Delhi Sultanate, died while playing the chaugan called polo. Who built Qutub Minar? And the correct answer is option number A, Kutubuddin Aibak. So here given, Kutubuddin Aibak started to build the Qutub Minar, that is in the year 1199, in honor of a famous Sufi saint Khwaja Kutubuddin Bakhtiyar Kaki, but he only constructed the basement. Later it was completed by his successor and son-in-law Iltutmish in the year 1220. Qutub Minar is the tallest minaret in India. Name the greatest slave king. And the correct answer is option number B, that is Iltutmish. Here given, Iltutmish was regarded as a greatest slave king because he was also the real consolidator of Turkish conquest in India, and he also shifted his capital from Lahore to Delhi. Who is known as the slave of a slave? Correct answer option number A, Iltutmish. So Iltutmish is known as a slave of a slave. As he succeeded Kutubuddin Aibak, founder of slave dynasty in India, he is also called the real founder of slave dynasty. Also introduced the Ikta system in Delhi Sultanate. Question may arise like who introduced the Ikta system? Then we should answer it Iltutmish. Iltutmish introduced the Ikta system in Delhi Sultanate. Who is called as father of tomb building? Correct answer option number B, Iltutmish. Who was the first Muslim woman ruler of India? Very important question. And the correct answer is option number A, that is Razia Sultan. So Razia Sultan reigned from 1236 to 1240, and she is a daughter of Iltutmish. Whose nickname is Totaye Hind or Parrot of India? And the correct answer is option number B, that is Amir Khusrau. Which dynasty of Delhi Sultanate ruled for the longest period? Correct answer option number C, that is Tughlaq dynasty. So Tughlaq dynasty of Delhi Sultanate ruled for the longest period. Who was the founder of Tughlaq dynasty? Correct answer option number D, that is Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. This should be option D. So Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq was the founder of a Tughlaq dynasty. Which ruler of Delhi Sultanate introduced market reforms? And the correct answer is option number B, that is Alauddin Khilji. Who was the founder of Khilji dynasty? Correct answer option number B, that is Jalaluddin Khilji. So Jalaluddin Khilji was the founder of Khilji dynasty. Who was the famous general of Alauddin Khilji? Correct answer option number B, that is Malik Kafur. Malik Kafur was the famous general of Alauddin Khilji. Who was the last ruler of Delhi Sultanate? Correct answer option number B, that is Ibrahim Lodi. So Bahlul Lodi was the founder of a Lodi dynasty, and Ibrahim Lodi was the last ruler of Lodi dynasty, also the last ruler of Delhi Sultanate. The founder of Said dynasty was, correct answer option number B, that is Khizr Khan, and he reigned from 1414 to 1421. So my dear friends, thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you once again for watching.